Hi, my name is Andreas and I'm an admissions ambassador here at SUNY Morrisville, as well as a residential construction student, and today I'll be giving a tour of the Wood Technology Building. So over this way we do have the wood shop for our wood classes with professional cabinetry equipment and industrial machinery that all the students get to operate. We have a professional finishing room with a spray booth, and we have multiple tooling rooms to hold all of our hand and power tools. This is the residential construction lab space where many of the labs are held. As soon as you walk in, we have our small apartments on the side where students run electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Toolboxes full of hand tools. This open lab space, we are in the current progress of building the small home. And we have a construction trailer equipped with plenty of power tools.